So these are the 4 products which we are going to launch in the UVC batten category. So two products comes with reflector and the 2 products comes with aluminum cover. All the products we are using Philips UVC lamp, which there is no ozone, comes from the Philips UVC lamp. At the same time they emits UVC at a wavelength of 253.7 nanometer, so which is the most effective wavelength in terms of killing bacteria, molds and viruses. So coming to the construction for 1x36 UVC batten, so we are having a aluminum cover by which we will get the maximum reflectivity of UVC energy, and to protect the lamp holders we are providing aluminum cover on both the sides. We are also providing a warning sticker which clearly say that this product comes into the risk group 3 category. So the another product in this category is 2x36 UVC batten. This 2x36 UVC batten comes with a similar sort of construction. We are having aluminum cover, and to protect the lamp holders we are having the lamp holder protection cover that comes also with the aluminum. Coming to the third category of the product, so this is the 1x36 batten with the reflector. So this is the reflector. So we are providing reflector to direct UVC energy at a targeted area. So this is the Philips UVC lamp, and construction wise rest of the things are similar. We are having a lamp holder protection cover similar to the earlier 2 versions. The last variant in this category comes with 2x36 UVC batten with reflector. So in this also construction is pretty similar. We are having a lamp holder protection cover, and reflector size will remain same for both the variants, 1x36 as well as for 2x36. So that there will be a separate CTN while ordering for the reflector. So there will be 5 CTN, 2 for 1x36 and 2x36 batten, 2 for 1x36 and 2x36 batten which will go with reflector, and there will be a separate CTN for the reflector. Coming to the mounting, so this batten can be mounted as a surface mounted, and it can also mounted through a conduit. So we are having a mounting arrangement so that it can also suspend via a conduit. On every product we are having a warning sticker that this product lies in the risk group 3 category.